smokes.
What do they use for oil on that thing? Is it already mixed before?
Yeah, it's already mixed.
You get different percentages.
It's promising. It's like, you can't really have any better conditions than this.
Last words? Power lines. Oh man.
Stall it.
You're going up steep.
Yeah, it wants to just climb, don't it?
No, the ailerons are backwards.
Really?
Yeah.
Right now they're backwards?
It's gotta be kind of weird.
Sketch. Well, when it's coming at you, it's right. I guess.
Yeah, when it throws you off.
Yeah, I bet. Well, you're probably better off getting the feel for it that way before you try to land it right away and fix it, huh?
Can you plug them in?
Oh wait, Mike.
Backwards?